Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rock Forest local and long distance movers near me. Are you trying to find the right cheap rock forest moving company? Do you want to hire a dependable local or long distance moving company? 3 Movers specializes in many types of moves and helps you relocate with ease. We know how to make your move less stressful and less overwhelming. When you need to move, let us take over the hard work for you. With our long-distance moving services, you gain access to packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to relocate 100 miles from your current location or further, we can help. Our team has helped many students, veterans, businesses, and families with their long-distance moving needs. You get the help you need when you hire a Canada moving company for your local move. This is a decision that will take all that hard work off your plate. No more worrying about recruiting family or friends to help lift things into a moving truck. With 3 movers on the job, you can sit back and relax. We take care of all the heavy lifting, and we can even do the packing for you if you prefer. Let us show you how a 5-day move for you can be done in just one afternoon by us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rock Forest moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.